Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how you can transfer funds from Cibc to Scotiabank, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, Scotiabank is of two types. The first one is Canadian and the second one is American. So if yours is Canadian, so then you can just head over to the app and click on Interact e-transfer and then choose from the checking and then to and then the amount, put in your email and everything, blah blah blah. But if it's online, then what you need to do is head over to your account and click on the global money transfer, and then you're going to put in what amount you are sending in the currency, the amount to receive and everything right over here. And then from there you're going to click on add new recipient, select their country, and then put the transfer method, which would be bank account, and then the recipient type, like what type of account they have. Then put in all of the recipient details, and then you're going to click on search by bank and then bank code, and then search and then put in the account holder's name, their number, click on review everything, and then click on confirm. After that, what you're going to do is click on send code and then put in the code, verify everything, and then you're going to see everything one more time and click on send money, from which you're going to choose your account, which money you're doing, and then put in the amount of money that you're sending. And after that, you're going to put in the purpose of transfer, the memo, and then click on continue, and then see everything one last time and click on confirm. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.